TV.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream.
Wow! Wow!
J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for red. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van.
Wow! Wow!
W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra.
TV.
Hello kids, let's learn alphabet. A for aeroplane. B for basket. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for girl. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0
TV. Please like, share and subscribe.